Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, China's inward turn is gathering pace as it fears foreign influence. But first, US mortgage applications rose strongly last week from the week before, up more than 6%. And that was because mortgage interest rates fell rather sharply, down 20 basis points in a week to go under 7% for the benchmark 30-year home loan rate for the first time in a month. Still, mortgage applications are running 11% lower than year-ago levels, and they were very weak then too. In China, a Beijing-directed rescue of property giant China Vanke is apparently underway. We should all hope it works, but even if it does, it will take a tough toll on the Chinese economy, Shenzhen in particular. And more developers there are failing. The downstream impacts are also pretty significant. Excavator sales are down 40% from year-ago levels, as an example. And China's Ministry of State Security is now increasingly focused on food security. They are banning foreigners travelling the countryside. They will put paid to the normal global method of sending analysts into the field to assess upcoming grain and crop harvests, something necessary because satellite photos can't yet assess yield prospects. You need to be in the field. Without that sort of crop intelligence from a major producer, China, global seasonal food planning is going to be far less accurate. EU industrial production plunged 2.1% in January from December, marking a stark reversal from the downward revised 1.6% retreat recorded in December and faring much worse than the market projections of a 1.5% decline. And China has proposed easing the punitive tariffs on Australian wine, imposed as part of their displeasure at the Morrison government's foreign policies. But that pullback does not yet apply to Australian beef. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 4.19% and up 3 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today up $8 at $2,173 an ounce. And oil prices have risen $1.50 to just under $79.50 a barrel in the US, while international Brent price is now just over $83.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at just on 61.6 US cents and marginally firmer than this time yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're soft at 93 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're holding at 56.3 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 70.3 and unchanged from yesterday. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again